In the world of ancient myths, few figures loom as large as the sky god Dyaus.
Wait, Dyaus? What's so impressive about a sky deity?
Dyaus, or Dyauspitr, is actually the archetypal father figure in the Rigveda, paired with Prthvi, the earth goddess. Together they represent the very foundations of life and creation.
The name Dyaus has deep roots. It traces back to Proto-Indo-Iranian and even further to Proto-Indo-European.
Really? So it connects to other cultures too?
Exactly. Dyaus is cognate with figures like Zeus from Greece and Jupiter from Rome, all stemming from the same ancient sky god archetype.
That's fascinating. What do these connections reveal about ancient beliefs?
They all point to a shared understanding of divinity in the sky across cultures. In Vedic texts, Dyaus is depicted in a unique structure of the sky, which has three distinct tiers.
What do those tiers symbolize?
Each tier reflects different aspects of the heavens, highlighting the complexity of this ancient belief system. There's much more to where Dyaus fits within it.
Dyaus, or Dyauspitr, plays a pivotal role not just as a sky deity, but as a father figure in ancient texts.
I heard he shares significant verses with Prithvi Mata. How does that work?
Their connection is foundational. Together, they embody the coexistence of sky and earth, appearing in numerous hymns.
And there are many other divine offspring mentioned, right?
Correct. Dyaus has a multitude of children like Agni, the fire god, and Usas, who symbolizes dawn. But there's something darker too.
Darker, what do you mean?
In a rather grim narrative within the Rigveda, there's a vague reference to the unfortunate act of Dyaus raping his own daughter.
Wow, that's unsettling. But how does this all connect to creation myths?
The separation of Dyaus from Prithvi, orchestrated by Indra, is a key moment in mythological creation, an act that illustrates the duality of sky and earth. And yet, this rich tapestry of story leaves us with more questions.
Like what?
How do such disturbing themes coexist with such deep reverence in ancient hymns? And what does that mean for our understanding of their society?